Hi students, this is Anoop with you. Thanks for reaching this channel. Today I am here to discuss the sample question paper issued by CBSE for Term 1 examination for 2021-22 academic year. The overall paper looks easy. Simple MCQ questions are included in this. There is no assertion and reasoning questions for mathematics paper. One case study question is included. So total there are 50 questions and you have to answer only 40 questions. We will see section wise. Section A, B and C are there in the paper. You can download the sample paper from cbseacademics.nic.in. Section A includes 20 MCQ questions. You need to answer only 16 questions out of this. In previous years, there were no overall choices. There were only internal choices. Means, suppose you are taking question number 15. They will give 2 questions and you have to answer any one of that. And here there are overall choices. There will be 20 questions given in section A. You have to answer only 16 questions. Means out of these 20 MCQs, you can select the best 16 questions which is easier for you. Now section B has again 20 MCQs. You have to answer only 16 questions from that also. Now section C has 10 MCQs. You have to answer 8 questions from that. Section C is from question number 41 till 50. Out of this, question number 46 to 50 are case-based study question. One case-based study question will be given. Means normal word problem, they will put into real life situation and they will split it into 5 MCQs under that. Total there are 40 questions. And marks also 40 marks. 1 marks for each question. And there is no negative marking. Suppose if you don't know one of the question, you can try your luck. You can select any of the options. And if it is wrong, you will not be getting any negative marking. And if it is correct, you will be getting plus 1 mark. Now we will see the section A questions. Question number 1 is sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus half. Options are given. So sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus half is minus sine inverse half. So this will become plus sine inverse half. And sine inverse half value is pi by 6. So this will be sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6 sine pi by 2, which is 1. So our answer is option D for the first question. You don't have to write any of the steps. Even mentally also you can think and answer option D in your OMR sheet. If they are giving the OMR sheet, you can mark answer D in that. So nobody will check which method you did. There is no steps to be shown. Now we will take the second question. Find the value of k for which f of x equal to 1 minus cos kx by x sin x when x is not equal to 0 and its value is 1 by 2 if x equal to 0. It is given continuous at x equal to 0. They are asking to find the value of k. So as per the continuity definition, limit x tending to 0, f of x should be equal to f of 0. So I am going to evaluate the limit for this f of x, which is limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos kx divided by x sin x. Apply the half angle formula for 1 minus cos kx. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So this will become 2 sin square kx by 2 divided by x sin x. I am not writing limit every time because you don't have to show any steps. You have to get the answer as soon as possible. So you can skip the steps and you don't have to write limit x tending to 0 every time. But if it is a subjective exam, these steps should be correctly written. 2 sine square kx by 2, I can split it as 2 sine kx by 2 into sine kx by 2 divided by x into sine x. Sine x by x, limit x tending to 0, or limit x tending to 0, x by sine x are 1. So to make it into the formula form, here sine x is there. I am multiplying numerator with x, denominator with x. Then x by sine x is 1. Same way, sine kx by 2 on top. Denominator I need kx by 2. For that I am multiplying here with k by 2. Here k by 2. So this became 1. Then again next kx by 2, already x is there. So I am multiplying k by 2 here, k by 2 here. So this also 1. Cancel this 2 and this 2. You will be getting k square by 2. And f of 0 given in the question 1 by 2. K will be plus or minus 1. Immediately don't mark answer as plus or minus 1 which is given in option A. Read the question carefully. It is given k less than 0 in the question. So our k value is minus 1 which is option B. So second question answer is option B. Now we will take the third question. If A is a square matrix of order 2 such that Aij equal to 1 when I is not equal to j and its value is 0 when I is equal to j, then A square is. So first I am finding the A value. A is 2 by 2 matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. I and j are equal. In that case, they are asking you to take the element as 0. Here I and j are not equal, so the element is 1 given in the question. Here I and j are not equal, so 1. Here I and j are equal, so 0. Now I will find A square. 0, 1, 1, 0 into 0, 1, 1, 0. So multiplying the matrix, first row with the first column, 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. So A square is 1001 which is option D. So third answer is option D. Now we will take the fourth question. Find the value of k for which one matrix is given 2 by 2 matrix. It is singular matrix. Singular matrix means its determinant should be 0. So I am finding the determinant of this. Multiply the diagonal elements, k into 2k, 2k square minus off diagonal matrix minus off diagonal elements multiplication 32. This is equal to 0. So 2k square is 32, k square is 16, k will be plus or minus 4, which is option C. So fourth question answer is option C. Now we will take question number 5. Find the intervals in which the function f of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 6. F of x is x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing. When a function is strictly increasing, if f dash x is greater than 0 in that interval. So I am finding f dash x which is 2x minus 4 equate to 0. So x will be 4 by 2, 2. So I have to draw a number line now. Minus infinity to infinity. Take first interval minus infinity comma 2. Take a value between them. Any value you can take. 0 is an easier value. When you substitute it in f dash x, 0 minus 4 it is negative. F dash x is negative. That means f of x is strictly decreasing in this. Our question is strictly increasing. So taking this interval 2 comma infinity. Any value I am taking 3. Substituting it here. So f dash x is 2 into 3, 6 minus 4, 2, which is greater than 0. So it is strictly increasing in 2 comma infinity interval. So our answer is option B for question number 5. Now we will take question number 6. Given A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant A equal to minus 4, then determinant of adjoint A is equal to. There is a formula, determinant of adjoint A equals determinant A raised to n minus 1. Here n is the order which is given as 3. So determinant A 3 minus 1 which is 2. Determinant A square. Determinant A value is given as minus 4. So minus 4 square 16. Which is matching with option D. So answer for 6th question is option D. Now we will move to question number 7. It is from relations and functions. A relation R in a set A equals set 1, 2, 3 defined as R equals set ordered pair 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. And A is set 1, 2, 3 given. They are asking which of the following ordered pair shall be removed to make it as an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means it should be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. If you remove this 1, 2 from this, when you look at 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, it is reflexive and it is symmetric and it is transitive also. So it is an equivalence relation if you remove 1, 2. So our answer is option B. See, many of the questions you don't have to even do. On reading the question, you can get the answer. Total 40 questions you have to answer in 90 minutes. Means almost 2+ minutes for each question. It is more than enough to do these questions. Now we will move to the question number 8. Two matrices are given, they are equal and they are asking find the value of A plus B minus C plus 2D. So I am writing the given matrices and equating the corresponding element. First element is 2A plus B, right side corresponding element is 4. And first row second element is A minus 2B in the left side matrix. In the right side matrix it is minus 3. So solve this and find A and B. For that I am multiplying the first equation with the 2. So 4A plus 2B equals 8. Then add these two equations. 5A equals 5. So A will be 1. Substitute this in any of the equation. First equation I am substituting. So 2 plus B equals 4. So B is 4 minus 2, 2. So we got A and B. Similarly, equate the corresponding elements containing C and D. So 5C minus D in the left side. Right side corresponding element is 11. Then 4C plus 3D equals corresponding element is 24. So first equation I am multiplying with 3. So 15C minus 3D equals 33. Now add them. This will cancel. 19C equals 57. So C will be 57 by 19, 3. Substitute it here. You will get D equal to 5C minus 11, which is 15 minus 11 equals 4. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. They are asking to find out A plus B minus C plus 2D. 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 4, 8. So answer is 8. Option A is the answer for 8th question. Now we will take question number 9. The point at which the normal to the curve y equals x plus 1 by x, where x is greater than 0, is perpendicular to the line 3x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. So it is given the normal to this is perpendicular to this line. So slope of normal into slope of this line multiplying, you will get minus 1. M1 into M2 is minus 1 is the condition. M1 is slope of normal, which is minus 1 by dy by dx. So I am finding the dy by dx. Dy by dx equals 1 minus 1 by x square minus 1 divided by x square. So M1 is negative 1 by dy by dx minus x square by x square minus 1. And M2 is from the line slope is minus a by b minus 3 by minus 4, 3 by 4. Now M1 into M2 is minus 1, means minus x square by x square minus 1 into 3 by 4 equal to minus 1. Cancel this. So 3x square equals 4x square minus 4. So x square equals 4, x is plus or minus 2. X is equal to plus or minus 2, but it is given x is greater than 0. So negative 2 you have to reject, you have to take only plus 2. And x is equal to plus 2, you substitute it here, you will get the corresponding y, which is 2 plus 1 by 2 equals 5 by 2. So your point is 2 comma 5 by 2, which is matching with option A. So answer to question number 9 is option A. Now next is 10th question. Sine of tan inverse x where mod x is less than 1 is equal to. So sine of tan inverse x you need to simplify. For that, after tan inverse you need tan. I am taking x is equal to tan theta. So this will become sine of tan inverse tan theta, which is theta. X is tan theta. Draw the triangle theta. Opposite is x. Adjacent is 1. Hypotenuse is root of 1 plus x square. So sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse x by root of 1 plus x square. This is matching with option D. So answer to question number 10 is option D, x divided by root of 1 plus x square. Now we will move to question number 11. Let the relation R in set A equals x belonging to integer set 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 12 given by R equals mod A minus B is multiple of 4. Then equivalent class of 1 is. Equivalent class means which all are the elements connected to this 1. They are asking the equivalent class of 1. Means x comma 1 belonging to R. You have to find all the values of x. Condition is modulus A minus B is divisible by 4. X can be 1 because modulus 1 minus 1 is 0, which is multiple of 4. X can be 5 because modulus 5 minus 1 is 4, multiple of 4. X can be 9, modulus 9 minus 1 equals 8, multiple of 4. You have to select all the values of x from 0 till 12. We got 1, 5 and 9. So equivalent class of 1 is set 1 comma 5 comma 9, which is matching with our option A. So answer to question number 11 is option A. Now we will take question number 12. If e power x plus e power y equals e power x plus y, then dy by dx is. It is given e power x plus e power y equals e power x plus y. If I am dividing every time with e power x plus y, this question will be little more simple to do. So e raised to x by e power x plus y will be 1 by e power y, which is e power minus y, plus this divided by e power x plus y will be e power minus x equals 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, e power minus y derivative will be e power minus y into minus dy by dx, chain rule, plus e power minus x will be e power minus x into minus 1 equals 0. So we are getting minus e power minus y dy by dx equals e power minus x. So dy by dx equals minus e power minus x divided by e power minus y. Which option is matching with this? So you can write it as minus e power, subtract the power, minus x plus y, which is matching with option C. Now we will move to question number 13. Given that matrices A and B are of order 3 by n and m by 3. A order is 3 by n and B's order is m by 5. And there is a matrix C which is got by 5a plus 3b. In order to add two matrices, their order should be same. Whatever is A's order, B's order also should be same. So this 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 you can add. And C's order also will be 3 by 5. So our answer is option B. 3 by 5. Option A is given 3 by 5 and m equal to n. Not necessary m should be equal to n. But the full order of A and this order of B should be same. Now we will take question number 14. If y equals 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, d square y by dx square is what? So y equals 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Differentiate this. dy by dx will be minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Differentiate one more time. D square y by dx square will be minus 5 cos x minus 3 into minus sin x. So plus 3 sin x. Look at this. It is same as minus y. So our answer is option A for the 14th question. Now we will take question number 15. For a matrix A, 2, 5, minus 11, 7, they are asking adjoint A transpose. I am writing A, 2, 5, minus 11, 7. Adjoint A of a 2 by 2 matrix, you can get it easily by interchanging these diagonal elements, 7, 2. And putting negative for this of diagonal elements. Don't interchange them, just put negative. So minus 5 and 11. Now adjoint A transpose. Interchange the rows and columns. So 7 minus 5 will become column here, 7 minus 5. Second row will become second column, 11, 2. So 7, 11 minus 5, 2, which is matching with option C. So question number 15 answer is option C. Now moving to question number 16. The points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 at which the tangents are parallel to y-axis are. So the ellipse equation is x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Tangents to this is parallel to y-axis. So slope of tangent I am taking m1, which is dy by dx I am finding from this. 2x by 9 plus 2y dy by dx by 16 equals 0. From here, y dy by dx by 16 equals minus x by 9. Therefore, dy by dx will be minus 16x divided by 9y, which is m1. m2 is slope of y-axis, which is not defined, tan 90, 1 by 0. m1 equal to m2, which will give you minus 16x divided by 9y equals 1 by 0. From this you will be getting y equals 0. On substituting y equal to 0 here, you will be getting x square by 9 plus 0 equal to 1. From here, x square equal to 9, x is plus or minus 3. So the points are plus or minus 3, 0, which is matching with option C for question number 16. Now we will move to 17th question. Given that A equal to Aij is a square matrix of order 3 by 3 and determined A equal to minus 7. And you have to find the value of sigma I equals 1 to 3 Ai2 into capital Ai2, where capital Aij denotes the cofactor of small aij element. So I have to substitute I equal to 1 till 3 with addition symbol, because sigma means summation. So I am substituting A12 into capital A12 plus A22 into capital A22 plus A32 into capital A32. An element into its cofactor plus next element into its cofactor plus third element into its cofactor, which will give you determinant A. And its value is given as minus 7, which is matching with our option B for 17th question. Now we will take question number 18. If y equals log cos e power x, then dy by dx is. dy by dx using chain rule. Log x is 1 by x. So same way log cos e power x is 1 by cos e power x into cos derivative is minus sin e power x into e power x is e power x. So you will be getting minus tan e power x into e power x. So it is matching with our option D for question number 18. Now we will take question number 19. It is from linear programming chapter. Based on the given shaded region, at which all points the objective function z equal to 3x plus 9y is maximum. Z value is given as 3x plus 9y. At which all points this is maximum they are asking. The corner points are A 0, 10, B 5, 5, C 15, 15, D 0, 20. Substitute the values in the place of x and y. So here you will get z as 90. Here you will get 15 plus 45, 60. Here you will get 3 into 15, 45 plus 9 into 15, 135, which will give you 180. Now substituting this point, 0 plus 9 into 20, 180. So you got maximum values at C and D. In that case, not only at this C and D points, the line segment connecting C and D, here D and here C, not only at these 2 points, at all the points lying on this line segment, when you substitute any of the points lying on this line segment in the place of x and y here, you will be getting the answer as 180 only. So our answer is option D, every point on the line segment CD. Now we will move to question number 20. It is the least value of the function f of x equals 2 cos x plus x in the closed interval 0, pi by 2 is. To find the least or maximum value, you have to differentiate and equate to 0 and get the x value first. So I am differentiating it. F dash x is minus 2 sin x plus 1. Equate this to 0. So sin x will be 1 by 2 and x will be pi by 6. Now I am substituting pi by 6, 0 and pi by 2 since it is given closed interval in f of x and see which one is giving the least value. So f of pi by 6 is 2 cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2 plus pi by 6, which will give you root 3 plus pi by 6. Now f of 0, 2 cos 0 is 1, so 2 plus 0, which is 2. Then f of pi by 2, 2 into cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 plus pi by 2, which will give you pi by 2. Pi value is 3.14 and root 3 is 1.732. This is 2 and this is pi by 2 means 3.14 by 2. So which is having least value? Pi by 2 is the least value at the point pi by 2. So look at the question, what they are asking, what is the least value, which is matching with option C. Now we have completed section A, all the 20 questions. Now moving to section B. Section B also has 20 questions, but you have to answer any 16 questions for the exam. Now moving to 21st question. The function f R to R, domain is R and codomain is R. Defined as f of x equal to x cube is. They are asking whether it is one-to-one function or on-to function or not. So I am writing f of x equal to x cube. To check whether it is one-to-one, I need to equate f of x1 to f of x2. And if I am getting x1 equal to x2, it is one-to-one function. So x1 cube equals x2 cube. So x1 equal to x2 on taking cube root. So it is true, therefore it is one-to-one function. Now checking for on-to, writing y equal to x cube x is cube root of y. Any value you put for y, there is a corresponding value of x which is belonging to the domain R. If you put y as 2, it is a real number 2 raised to 1 by 3. If you put y as negative 1, minus 1 raised to 1 by 3, it is there in a real number set. So any value you substitute, there is a corresponding value of x in its domain. Therefore, it is on to also. So our answer should be, it is one-to-one function and on-to function, which is matching with option D for question number 21. Now we will move to question number 22. If x equals a sec theta, y equal to b tan theta, then d square y by dx square at theta equal to pi by 6 is. This is a parametric function. I need to first find dy by dx. For that, dy by d theta and dx by d theta to be found out. X is a sec theta, y is b tan theta. Dx by d theta is a sec theta tan theta. Dy by d theta is b sec square theta. Now dy by dx will be b sec square theta divided by a sec theta tan theta, which is b by a sec theta by tan theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta, tan theta is sin by cos. So it will be b by a into 1 by sin theta, which is b by a cosec theta. Now differentiate again. D square y by dx square, b by a into minus cosec theta cot theta, not yet over. Don't make careless mistake. You have to differentiate the theta also, which is d theta by dx. Now substitute d theta by dx, minus b by a into cosec theta into cot theta into d theta by dx, the reciprocal of this, 1 by a sec theta tan theta. Now minus b by a square, cosec theta is 1 by sin theta cot theta, and this tan theta going to the numerator, it is cot theta, so it will become cot square theta divided by sec theta is 1 by cos theta, so cos theta will go to the top. So cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, you will be getting minus b by a square cot cube theta. Now substitute theta as pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 is root 3. So minus b by a square into root 3 cube, which is 3 root 3 b by a square. So our answer is minus 3 root 3 b divided by a square, which is matching with option A for question number 22. Now we will move to question number 23. It is an LPP question. Graph is given and shaded region is the feasible region. The objective function z equals 2x minus 3y. You have to find at what point this will be minimum. I am taking the corner points, which is 0, 8, 4, 10, 6, 8, 6, 5. I am checking the options given. I am not taking every corner points. Whatever the option given, I am taking. I am substituting this. 0 minus 24. So this will be minus 24. This is 8 minus 30 minus 22. This is 12 minus 24 minus 12. This is 12 minus 15 minus 3. Which is the minimum value? Minimum value is minus 24 at 0, 8. So our answer is option C for question number 23. See, as we are moving to section B, question became slightly lengthy. Now we will move to question number 24. The derivative of sine inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square with respect to sine inverse x is. You have to study the inverse trigonometry properly. Because even though CBSE has told inverse trigonometry many parts are deleted, the same type of questions can come in differentiation and integration chapter. So here I am taking u as sine inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square and v as sine inverse x. They are asking to differentiate u with respect to v, means du by dv, which is du by dx divided by dv by dx. I have to simplify this u before differentiating. So I am putting x as sine theta. So u equals sine inverse of 2 sine theta into root 1 minus sine square theta is root cos square theta, which is cos theta. And 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta, which will give you 2 theta, which is 2 sine inverse x. Now du by dx is 2 divided by root 1 minus x square. And dv by dx is 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. When you divide them, du by dv will be 2. Our answer is option A, 2 for 24th question. Now we will take 25th question. Matrix A and B are given. Then they are asking the relation between B inverse and A. So I am writing A and B. I am going to multiply them. AB. A is 1 minus 1 0, 2 3 4, 0 1 2 into B is 2 2 minus 4, minus 4 2 minus 4, 2 minus 1 5. Multiplying this, 2 plus 4 plus 0. Here first row with the second column. 2 minus 2 plus 0. Here first row with the third column. Minus 4 plus 4 plus 0. Here 4 minus 12 plus 8. Here 4 plus 6 minus 4. Here minus 8 minus 12 plus 20. Here 0 minus 4 plus 4. Here 0 2 minus 2. Here 0 minus 4 plus 10. This will be 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6 equals 6i. You got AB equal to 6i. Both sides I am multiplying with the B inverse. So B inverse equals 6i B inverse. B inverse is I. A into I is A. So A equals I into B inverse is B inverse. 6B inverse. Means B inverse equal to 1 by 6 times A, which is matching with option D for question number 25. Now we will move to question number 26. The real function f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7 is. They are asking in which interval it is increasing or decreasing. So I am writing the f of x and I have to differentiate to find in which interval it is increasing or decreasing. F of x is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 7. F dash x is 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Taking 6 common out, x square minus 2x minus 6. Splitting the middle term, product minus 6, sum is minus 2, x minus 3 into x plus 2. Now equating to 0, I will be getting x as 3 and x as minus 2. Now draw the number line minus infinity, minus 2, 3, infinity. Now I have to check in each interval this f dash x is positive or negative. This is your simplified f dash x. I am taking a value minus 3 and mentally substituting here. So minus 3 negative into minus 3 plus 2 negative. Negative into negative is positive. This is positive means it is strictly increasing in this interval. Now taking this interval, taking a value 0, negative, positive. Negative into positive is negative. So it is strictly decreasing in this interval. Now taking this interval and substituting a value between them, which is 4. 4 minus 3 positive, 4 plus 2 positive. Positive into positive, positive. So we got strictly increasing in 3 comma infinity and minus infinity minus 2. Strictly decreasing in minus 2 comma 3. So which is matching with option B for question number 26. Now moving to question number 27. The simplest form of tan inverse root of 1 plus cos x plus root 1 minus cos x divided by root 1 plus cos x minus root 1 minus cos x. And x is given, it is between pi and 3 pi by 2. X is in third quadrant. I am going to apply half angle formula here. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Divided by root of 2 cos square x by 2 minus root of 2 sin square x by 2. Don't write this root as root 2 cos x by 2. When a number comes out of the root, it should be positive. X is given in third quadrant. So x by 2 will be in, I am dividing with 2, pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. X by 2 is in second quadrant. Second quadrant is cos negative. So when you write this, if you write root 2 cos x by 2, then that value will be negative. Root of a number should not be negative. So this square root is to be written as minus root 2 cos x by 2. Now this number is positive because cos x by 2 is a negative value, into this negative it is positive. And sin x by 2 is positive in the second quadrant. So its square root is root 2 sin x by 2. Divided by this also minus root 2 cos x by 2 minus root 2 sin x by 2. Now dividing everything with a minus root 2 cos x by 2, I will be getting tan inverse of 1 minus tan x by 2. Root 2 sin x by 2 by negative root 2 cos x by 2 will be negative tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2. The numerator 1 I can write it as tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x by 2, this is pi by 4, tan x by 2 tan pi by 4, which is tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2, which is pi by 4 minus x by 2. So our answer is option A, pi by 4 minus x by 2. From inverse trigonometry, you should not miss any question, I feel. You have to do all the questions which are there for simplification, because question came from that part. And when you see that section B questions are little more lengthier than section A questions. Now moving to question number 28. Given that A is a non-singular matrix of order 3, means determinant A is not equal to 0, such that A square equal to 2A, then the value of determinant 2A is. It is given A square equal to 2A. Determinant of A square is determinant of 2A. There is an identity, determinant of lambda A equals lambda raised to n into determinant A, where n is the order. And determinant A square is same as determinant A the whole square. That's why I wrote like this. Then this side will be 2 raised to n. N is 3 into determinant A. So determinant A square equal to 8 determinant A. Taking to one side and taking determinant A common, determinant A into determinant A minus 8 equal to 0. Determinant A equal to 0 is rejected because they gave non-singular. So determinant A cannot be 0. So next case, determinant A minus 8 equal to 0, which will give you determinant A equals 8, which is matching with option B for question number 28. Now we will move to question number 29. The value of B for which the function f of x equals x plus cos x plus b is strictly decreasing over R. Strictly decreasing means f dash x should be less than 0. So I am finding the f dash x. X derivative 1, cos x derivative minus sin x, b derivative 0. 1 minus sin x is always greater than or equal to 0. It is not less than 0. So it is an increasing function. F of x is an increasing function, not strictly decreasing. So value of b is no value of b, which is matching with option B, no value of b exists for question number 29. Now moving to question number 30. Let R be the relation in set n given by R equals set ordered pair A comma B such that A equals B minus 2 comma B greater than 6. Then they are asking which element is belonging to this relation. And they gave B is greater than 6. So checking the option A will not be valid because 2 comma 4. B is less than 6 in that. So we have to check 3 comma 8. A is given B minus 2. When I substitute B as 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. It is not 3. So option B is not correct. Option C I am checking. 8 minus 2, which is 6. A value is 6 given. So 6 comma 8 is an element of R. So our answer is option C for question number 30. Now we will move to question number 31. The point or points at which the function f is given by f of x equals x by modulus x, comma x less than 0. Second value of the function is minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0, is continuous, is you have to find the points at which this function is continuous. If x is less than 0, what is the mod x value? Negative x. So this will become f of x equals x by minus x if x is less than 0. X by minus x means negative 1. And second value minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. If x is less than 0, it is negative 1. If x is greater than or equal to 0 also, f of x value is minus 1. That means throughout function's value is minus 1. So it is a constant function. A constant function is continuous everywhere. So our answer is it is continuous if for all x belonging to real numbers. Option A is the answer for question number 31. Now we will take question number 32. If matrix A equals a 2 by 2 matrix given, first row 0, 2, second row 3 minus 4, and K times matrix A is given 0, 3A, 2B, 24. Then the values of K, A, B respectively are. I am writing the given matrix A and K. A equals matrix 0, 2, 3 minus 4. KA is given as 0, 3A, 2B, 24. I am finding KA from this matrix A. KA means multiply every element with K. 0 into K is 0, then here 2K, then 3K minus 4K. Now equate the corresponding elements. I am equating minus 4K to 24 so that I can get the value of K. Minus 4K equals 24. So K is minus 6. Then equate 3K to 2B. 2B equals 3K. Means 2B equals 3 into minus 6. So B equals 3 into minus 3 minus 9. We got the value of K and B. Now equating 3A to 2K. Corresponding elements. 2K equals 3A. So 2 into minus 6 equals 3A. So A will be minus 4. So we got A as minus 4, B as minus 9, K equal to minus 6. They are asking values of K, A and B are respectively are option B minus 6, minus 4, minus 9. So option B is the answer for question number 32. Now we will take question number 33, which is linear programming problem. Z equal to 30x plus 50y and constraints are 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 15, 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 18, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. In the feasible region, the minimum value of z is coming at unique point or no point or infinitely many points or 2 points only. I am drawing the graph for this. For this, if x is 0, y will be 5y equal to 15, y will be 3. If y is 0, x will be 5. And for this one, if x is 0, y will be 6. If y is 0, x will be 9. This means y axis and this is x axis. 0, 1, 2, 0, 3 is coming here. This line I am drawing. 5, 0 here. Join them. The next 0, 6 and 9, 0. Join them. And x equal to 0 means y axis and y equal to 0 is x axis. This is the bounded region, feasible region for this. Now the corner points are 5, 0, 9, 0, 0, 6, 0, 3. These four corner points, I need to substitute in Z and check which one is giving the minimum value. So when I substitute 0, 6, I am getting 300. When I substitute 9, 0, I am getting 270. When I substitute 0, 3, I am getting 150. When I am substituting 5, 0, I am getting 150. So at this 0, 3 and at 5, 0, I got 150. If it is coming in that way, all the points of this line segment, you substitute any point lying on the line segment in this Z, you will get same 150 only. So it has infinitely many points. So our answer is option C for this question number 33. Now we will move to question number 34. The area of trapezium is defined by function f of x equals 10 plus x into root of 100 minus x square. Then the area when it is maximized is. So the area function is given as f of x, I am mentioning it as a, equals 10 plus x into root of 100 minus x square. You have to find the derivative of that and then equate to 0 to get the x value. So I am not directly differentiating, I am squaring and differentiating. A square and a square I am naming it as p, 10 plus x the whole square into 100 minus x square. Again I can write this as 10 plus x into 10 minus x. This will become 10 plus x the whole cube into 10 minus x. Now differentiating the p, dp by dx, 10 plus x the whole cube into minus 1 plus 10 minus x into 3 into 10 plus x the whole square. Taking common out, 10 plus x the whole square, remaining is minus 10 minus x here, 30 minus 3x. Now equate dp by dx to 0. 10 plus x whole square cannot be 0 because x will become minus 10. X is dimension, so it should be positive. So take this equal to 0. Minus 4x plus 20 equals 0. So 4x equals 20, x is equal to 5. You got the value of x as 5. Now I can substitute in this area and find the area. And to check whether it is at maximum, you have to differentiate this one more time and it should give you negative when you substitute x as 5. Why I didn't do direct differentiation from here? Because square root is there, differentiation will be a little more lengthy. So I squared this and then differentiated and got the value of x. Now I am substituting it here. A will be 10 plus 5, 15 into root of 100 minus 5 square, 25. So 15 into square root of 75. 15 into root of 25 into 3. 5 into 15, 75 root 3 is the answer. So 75 root 3 centimeter square is the area answer. Our answer is option C. We will still check whether it is having maximum at x equal to 5. Differentiate this one more time. This is dp by dx is 10 plus x the whole square into 20 minus 4x. Differentiating this again, d square p by dx square. This is doing to check this is having maximum area or not. So 10 plus x the whole square into derivative of this is minus 4 plus 20 minus 4x into 2 into 10 plus x. Substitute x as 5. So this will become 15 square into minus 4 plus here x as 5. This will become 4 into 5, 20 minus 20 is 0. So you are getting a negative value less than 0. So the area is maximum when x equal to 5. And that maximum area we found out 75 root 3 centimeter square. So our answer is option C. We already got that. Now we will move to 35th question. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to A, then I plus A the whole cube minus 7A is equal to. It is given A square equals A and they are asking us to find out I plus A the whole cube minus 7A. Expanding this, A plus B the whole cube, A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus 7A. I cube, I to the power any number comes, it is I itself, identity matrix itself. And A cube I am splitting it as A square into A. And A square is given as A. This will become A. And again A into A square. And A square again you can substitute as A. So the entire thing will become A. And I square is I. Identity matrix into any matrix is the same matrix. So this will become 3A. And I square is I. A into identity matrix is A itself. So this will be 3A minus 7A. So it will become I, A, 3A and 3A plus 7A minus 7A. This will be cancelled off and you will get I as the answer. Our answer is option D for 35th question. Now we will take 36th question. If tan inverse x equal to y, then they are asking y value is between which numbers? Tan inverse x equals y. They are asking the value of y. Means they are asking the range of tan inverse. You have to study all the inverse trigonometric functions, domain and range. Here, domain you have to study all the inverse trigonometric functions, domain and range. Here range of tan inverse x is between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Open bracket minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, which is matching with option C. Now question number 37. Let A equal to set 1, 2, 3, B equals set 4, 5, 6, 7, and let F equals set ordered pair 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Be a function from A to B based on the given information. F is best defined as. First option is surjective function, means on to mapping. It is not on to because range is set 4, 5, 6 and codomain is set 4, 5, 6, 7. If range and codomain are equal only, it will be surjective function. Otherwise, it is not surjective, so option A is invalid. Now checking option B, injective function, one-to-one function or not. Check all the y values. They have a unique preimage. Every y value has a unique preimage, therefore it is injective function. So our answer is option B for 37th question. Now we will take question number 38. For A equals matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. 3, 1, minus 1, 2. A 2 by 2 matrix is given. They are asking what is 14 A inverse. A inverse is adjoint A divided by determinant A. Adjoint A I am finding. Just interchange the diagonal elements. 2, 3. Put negative for the off diagonal elements. Minus 1, 1. Then divide with the determinant A. Determinant A is 3 into 2, 6 minus 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. They are asking 14 A inverse. 14 by 7, 2 into matrix 2 minus 1, 1, 3. So it will be 4 minus 2, 2, 6. Which is matching with option B is our correct answer for question number 38. Now we will take question number 39. The point or points on the curve y equals x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equals x minus 11 is or are. There are one point or many points they are asking, and which are those points or point. So tangent line is this, and slope of tangent you can get from the equation of curve. Differentiate it. Dy by dx equals 3x square minus 11. And slope of this tangent from here is 1. Y equal to mx plus c form. M is 1. Now equate them because both are same lines. Slope 3x square minus 11 equal to 1. So 3x square is 12. X square is 4. X is plus or minus 2. If x is 2, what is y? Substitute it here and find y. 8 minus 22 plus 5. So minus 9. So 1 point you got 2 comma minus 9. Then substitute x as minus 2 in this. So minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. You will get 19. So next point is minus 2 comma 19. The condition is like this. One curve is given and the tangent. Find the points on the curve at which this line is the tangent. That means this point should satisfy both the curve and the tangent line. When you substitute minus 2 comma 19 here, it is not satisfying though, so this point is rejected. When you substitute this, it is satisfying. 2 minus 11 is minus 9. So our answer is point 2 comma minus 9 only, which is option B. Now we will move to question number 40. Given that A equals alpha beta gamma minus alpha, and a square is given as 3i. Then they are asking what is the condition connecting alpha, beta and gamma. So I am writing a and finding the square. A square is alpha beta gamma minus alpha into alpha beta gamma minus alpha. Alpha square plus beta gamma. Alpha beta minus beta alpha, it will be 0. Gamma alpha minus alpha gamma, it will be 0. Here gamma beta plus alpha square. This is equal to given as 3i. 3i means 3003. 3 multiply with the identity matrix. Now equate the corresponding elements. Alpha square plus beta gamma equals 3, and here also alpha square plus beta gamma equal to 3. Means alpha square plus beta gamma minus 3 equal to 0. Check which option is matching with this. It is given 3 minus alpha square minus beta gamma equal to 0. It is same as this. When you multiply with a negative sign, you will be getting option C. Now question number 41. For an objective function z equal to ax plus by, where a b greater than 0, the corner points are 0, 20, 10, 10, 30, 30 and 0, 40. The condition on a and b such that the maximum z occurs at both the points 30, 30 and 0, 40 is. The maximum value is happening at 30, 30 and 0, 40. Z is given as ax plus by. At 2 points, this has maximum value. One is 30, 30 and another is 0, 40. So Z will be, on substituting x and y as 30, 30, it will be 30a plus 30b. On substituting x and y as 0 and 40, it will be 40b. Both are having maximum, same value. So equate them. 30a plus 30b equals 40b. Means 30a minus 10b equals 0. Check which option is matching with that. You can cancel with a 10. So it will be 3a minus b equals 0. Option A is b minus 3a equal to 0. It is same thing. When you multiply with a negative sign, it will be b minus 3a equal to 0, which is matching with option A for 41st question. Now taking question number 42. For which value of m is the line y equal to mx plus 1 is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x. The tangent line is y equals mx plus 1. Slope of this tangent is m. Y equal to mx plus c, slope is m. And the curve is given as y square equal to 4x. Slope of tangent to this curve is got by differentiating and finding dy by dx. 2y dy by dx equals 4. So dy by dx will be 2 divided by y. And slope of tangent is m. Same line slope is 2 by y. Both are equal. So we can equate m equals 2 divided by y. And this line and this curve are meeting. Means they have a common point. So I can solve these two equations. I am getting x from here. X equals y minus 1 by m. From here x is y square by 4. Both x are equal because they are meeting at the same point. So y minus 1 divided by m equals y square by 4. Substitute for y. From here y is 2 by m. So 2 by m minus 1 divided by m equals 2 by m square, 4 by m square divided by 4. Cancel this. Take LCM. 2 minus m divided by m square equals 1 by m square. Cancel this. 2 minus m equal to 1. So m equals 2 minus 1, 1. So the value of m is 1, so that this line will be a tangent to this parabola. Our answer is matching with option B. Now we will take question number 43. The maximum value of x into x minus 1 plus 1 the whole power 1 by 3 at when x is between 0 and 1. So your f of x is this. This is from maximum minima section. I have to differentiate this. Before differentiating, I am simplifying this. This is x square minus x plus 1 raised to 1 by 3. Now differentiation is easier. F dash x is 1 by 3 into x square minus x plus 1 raised to 1 by 3 minus 1, which is raised to minus 2 by 3. When you write it in the denominator, it will be x square minus x plus 1 raised to 2 by 3. Into, you have to differentiate this also, chain rule, which is 2x minus 1. Now equate f dash x to 0. When you equate and cross multiply, you will get 2x minus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 2. So you have to find the function's value at x equal to 1 by 2 and at x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. And see what is the maximum value for this f of x. I am substituting 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 raised to 1 by 3. This is 3 by 4 raised to 1 by 3. Now I am taking 0. F of 0 is, this will be 0. 1 raised to 1 by 3 is 1. Now I am finding f of 1. This also 0. Then 1 raised to 1 by 3, 1. So maximum value is 1 at 2 points you got, at 0 and at 1. They are asking what is your maximum value. Our maximum value is 1, which is matching with option C for 43rd question. Now coming to the 45th question. A equals matrix 1 sin alpha 1 minus sin alpha 1 sin alpha minus 1 minus sin alpha 1, where alpha is between 0 and 2 pi. Then what is the value of determinant A they are asking. So I am going to find the determinant A is 1 sin alpha 1, then minus sin alpha 1 sin alpha, then minus 1 minus sin alpha 1. 1 into, leave the row and column containing this, 1 minus minus sin square alpha, 1 plus sin square alpha. Then minus sin alpha into, leave the row and column containing this, minus sin alpha minus minus sin alpha, so 0. Then next plus 1 into, leave the row and column containing this, sin square alpha minus minus 1, so sin square alpha plus 1. This will give you 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin square alpha. That option is not there for determinant A. So some intervals are given. You need to find this determinant A lies in which interval. You know sin alpha is between minus 1 and 1. Sin square alpha is between 0 and 1. You need to find 2 plus 2 sin square alpha is between what? So I am multiplying with the 2, this inequality. So 0 less than or equal to 2 sin square alpha less than or equal to 2. Now to make 2 plus 2 sin square alpha, I need to add everywhere 2. So 0 plus 2, 2 less than or equal to 2 plus 2 sin square alpha less than or equal to 2 plus 2, 4. So we got our determinant A is lying between 2 and 4. Determinant A is belonging to closed interval 2 comma close bracket 4. So which is matching with option D for 45th question. Now we will take our 46th question. 46 till 50 are based on case study question. one word problem they will give based on a real life situation, and several MCQs are there based on that. Section C was from 41 till 50. 10 questions. You have to answer any 8 out of these 10 questions. Out of that, 5 are based on case study. So, case study question is, the fuel cost per hour for running a train is proportional to the square of the speed it generates in kilometer per hour. If the fuel cost for rupees 48 per hour at speed 16 km per hour and the fixed charge to run the train amounts to rupees 1200 per hour. Assume the speed of the train as v km per hour. This is the case study situation given. Now the first MCQ is the 46th question. I am taking that. 46th question is, given that the fuel cost per hour is k times square of the speed the train generates in kilometer per hour, then the value of k is. Fuel cost per hour, C, is equal to k times square of the speed. Fuel cost per hour is given. How much is given? 48 equals k into what is the speed? 16 km per hour. So 16 square. So k equals 48 divided by 16 square, which will be 3 by 16, which is matching with our option D. Now taking 47th question based on the same case, if the train has travelled a distance of 500 km, then the total cost of running the train is given by the function. Looking back to the case study, the fuel cost per hour running train is proportional to the square of the speed it generates in kilometer per hour. So C is proportional to square of the speed, v square. Means C equal to k times v square into proportionality constant into time, how much time it is traveling, plus there is a fixed charge 1200 per 1 hour. So if it is traveling for t hours, 1200 into t. And we already know the value of k from previous question, which is 3 by 16. So your C is 3 by 16 v square t plus 1200 t. And it is given in the question, distance covered is 500 km. So time equal to distance by speed. That relation we are using. So t equal to distance is 500 km and speed is v. So substitute t as 500 by v in this. So it will be in one variable v. So C will be 3 by 16 into v square into, instead of t, 500 by v. We are making this into one variable v, plus 1200 into t is 500 by v. Now simplifying further, 16 and 500 I am cancelling with the 4, 125. So 375v divided by 4 plus 60, then 4 zeros, divided by v. This is your cost function, which is matching with our option B. So B is the correct answer for 47th question. Now taking 48th question, the most economical speed to run the train is. Most economical speed means the cost should be minimum. Our cost function we got in 47th question, which is C equal to 375 divided by 4v plus 600,000 divided by v. Now you have to differentiate this and equate to 0 to get the value of v. So dc by dv with respect to the variable v. So it will be 375 by 4 plus the 6 lakhs I am putting outside constant, and what v 1 by v derivative is minus 1 by v square. Now equate to 0. So 375 by 4 equals 600,000 divided by v square. From here, cancelling, you will be getting v equals 80 km per hour, which is matching with our option C. Now taking 49th question, the fuel cost for the train to travel 500 km at the most economical speed is. Fuel cost we know it is 375 by 4 times V. This is the fixed cost. 375 by 4 times V. V value we got it as 80 km per hour. So 375 by 4 into 80. On calculating this, you will get rupees 7,500, which is matching with option C for 49th question. Now moving to question number 50, which is the final question of this paper. The total cost of the train to travel 500 km at the most economical speed is. We got the cost is 375 by 4V plus 600,000 by V. Most economical speed is 80 km per hour. So substitute 80 here, you will get the cost. So 375 by 4 into 80 plus this fixed cost is 600,000 divided by 80. On calculating this, you will be getting rupees 15,000, which is matching with option D. So we have finished doing our sample paper for 2021-22 for term 1 exam. From the overall review of the sample paper, what we understood is that some of the questions were little lengthy and most of the questions were easy type. You need to answer the paper smartly. You need to find the best 40 questions which is easy for you. You will not be awarded with any additional mark if you select the tough questions from that paper and do. For example, there is linear programming sum. You have to draw the graph and find the corner points, all this. It is taking lot of time. So these time consuming questions you can avoid and pick the easy questions. Then you can answer all the 40 questions correctly. And I don't think there is a time constraint. You have enough time to do these 40 questions.